Today's topic is time domain analysis. The time domain analysis, there is a two type of analysis: transient state analysis and steady state analysis. The transient state analysis, in a transient state analysis we deal with nature of response of system when subjected to an input. आप क्या इनपुट देंगे, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो भी आउटपुट आएगा उसका नेचर क्या होगा. And the transient state analysis depends on the order of the system. Order of the system, how to evaluate the order of system? Order of the system means what is the order of the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation means 1 plus g of s, h of s is equal to 0. Means maximum power of s is called as order of the system. And this order of system is deal the transient state analysis. Whereas steady state analysis, in a steady state analysis, the deals with the estimation of magnitude of steady state error between input and output. Means आप इनपुट क्या देना चाहते हैं, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग आउटपुट क्या आया, डिज़ायर्ड आउटपुट क्या आया, उन दोनों के बीच में क्या एरर है, दैट इज डील्स विद द स्टडी स्टेट एनालिसिस. And this steady state analysis depends on the type of system. What is the type? Type means number of poles at the origin. Means denominator में single s की पावर जो कितना होगा, that is the type of the system. Suppose let us consider an open loop transfer function, that is g of s h of s. Suppose g of s h of s is equal to k in bracket 1 plus t a s upon s power p 1 plus t 1 s. Here in the denominator there is a single term s की power p. If p is equal to 0, it means that type 0 system. Similarly, if p is equal to 1, this is the type 1 system, and so on. If p is equal to n, type n system. Okay. Now the highest power of characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation? Characteristic equation means 1 plus g of s, h of s is equal to 0. The highest power of characteristic equation determine the order of the system. ठीक है. Suppose this is the block diagram of a closed loop control system in which a unity feedback occur. Suppose in this figure r of s is the input signal and k upon s gs plus f is open loop transfer function, and c of s is output response. So g of s, that is open loop transfer function, is k upon s gs plus f into 1. For the from this open loop transfer function is g of s equal to k upon s gs plus f. From this it is clear that the single factor s in the denominator is s power 1, so it is a type 1 system. And for the determination of the order of the system, that is 1 plus g of s, h of s is equal to 0. So 1 plus g of s is k upon s gs plus 1 into h of s is 1, because h of s is the feedback transfer function, and in the feedback path there is unity. That's why h of s is 1. So 1 plus g of s, h of s is equal to 0 means js square plus fs plus k is equal to 0. Since in this expression maximum power of s is 2, so its order is 2. So clear type 1 system and order 2 system. Suppose let us consider the first order system. First order system is in the denominator s की maximum power is what? 1. In this figure, r of s is input function and c of s is output function, and open loop transfer function is 1 upon ts. Then 1 plus 1 plus g of s h of s is equal to 0 means 1 plus 1 upon ts, h of s is 1, so g of s upon 1 plus g of s h of s is transfer function. And in this way st plus 1 is equal to 0. So the overall transfer function of system is given by c of s upon r of s is 1 upon ts plus 1. Okay, thank you.